Today, we're diving into the world of Wi-Fi 7, the next-gen wireless standard that's not just about faster speeds, but about transforming how we live, work, and connect. Let's take a look at some real-world use cases and what the future of Wi-Fi 7 holds. What exactly is Wi-Fi 7?
Wi-Fi 7 or IEEE 802.11b is the successor to Wi-Fi 6 and 6E.
It brings speeds up to 46 gigabits per second, lower latency, wider 320 MHz channels, support for multi-link operation for better reliability. Now, let's see where Wi-Fi 7 is already making an impact. Examples of Wi-Fi 7 in real world. Smart homes. Wi-Fi 7 allows seamless streaming of 8K video, real-time gaming, and smooth operation of dozens of smart devices, all at once. Offices and co-working spaces. With hybrid work becoming the norm, offices need low latency and high bandwidth. Wi-Fi 7 ensures stable video calls, fast cloud access, and zero lag even in device-heavy environments. AR or VR in education and training. Educational institutions and industrial training centers are using Wi-Fi 7 to deliver lag-free AR or VR content, creating immersive learning experiences. Factories and warehouses. Wi-Fi 7 is powering Industry 4.0, connecting robots, sensors, and real-time analytics systems with ultra-low latency and high reliability. Public spaces and stadiums. Large venues can handle tens of thousands of users streaming or sharing data simultaneously, without crashing the network. What's coming next for Wi-Fi 7? Wi-Fi 7 is more than just speed, it's about building resilient, intelligent, and high-capacity wireless environments. Here's what's coming. Integration with 6G and advanced AI-driven networks. A strong foundation for IoT expansion and smart cities. Enhanced security and network slicing for enterprise use. A future where wired networks may become obsolete for many users. It's not just an upgrade, it's a wireless revolution. From smart homes to smart cities, Wi-Fi 7 is already shaping our digital future, and this is just the beginning. We're entering a world where ultra-fast, low latency, and intelligent wireless networks will power everything. We will also have autonomous vehicles to remote surgeries and real-time factory automation. Wi-Fi 7 lays the foundation for the next wave of digital transformation. The potential is massive, and as businesses, service providers, and everyday users adopt this technology, we're looking at a future where connectivity is no longer a limitation, it's an enabler.